IPD has gone above and beyond, creating a lower torque mount for your P3 chassis Volvo. This mount is a direct replacement for the lower rubber torque mount that commonly fails prematurely. IPD's Billet lower torque mount for P3 chassis fits a wide range of engine variations. IPD upgraded the bracket mount by making it out of the highest quality CNC T6061 billet aluminum. For added protection, we anodized the aluminum in IPD's trademark torque mount color. This torque mount includes the necessary mounting hardware for easy installation. IPD uses the highest quality tunable polyurethane to withstand road grime, oils, and extreme heat. If you want to stiffen the mount, IPD offers Delrin dowels that can be installed and tuned to your specifications. This is a direct replacement with little to no NVH. Check out our website for more information and fitment applications.